Hello students, welcome to the next session. Now in this session we are going to cover up two menus, one is page break and one is table. We will understand how to create table and how to do the page break. So let's understand first the page break. What is page break? You see I have one document available in the front of you. So page break is basically when you want to shift your text from one page to another page from a specific line or from a specific point, then we are using the page break. For example, I want to do the page break from the topic 2. I want this text will be transferred to page number 2. So in that case, I will do is I will click on page break. So you will see automatically the remaining data will be transferred to the page number 2. If you want to create again a page break from topic 3, again select the topic 3 and click on page break. So remaining data will be transferred to page 3. So you will see we have done the page break of this document. Now earlier we have one document, but right now we have total 3 documents available in the front of you. So this is the page break. Now the next topic we have with us, which is called table. If you want to, table is a very important thing for all of us. Sometimes we are mentioning some information in the form of table in our document, so we must know that how to create a table in MS Word. So you will see by default there is a feature to create an insert table. So if you select this area, you will see your computer will create automatically that number of rows and column for you. So it means it is reflecting. For example, I said 1 into 1 means 1 row 1 column. If you say 2 rows, it means 2 row 1 column, and if you say 2 by 2, it is 2 rows 2 column, right? So whatever area you will select, your computer will draw that table for you. This is the one method. Another method is if you want to insert the table according to your requirement. So you will go to insert table and you will see there is the total table size. One is called table size, number of column, how many column you want. For example, I want 3 column 3 rows, so I will write 3 row. So he said fixed column width. If you say auto, so automatically whenever you are entering the data, or if you say auto fit to the content, so whenever I'm writing the content in that, so automatically width will be reset. So let's say fixed width column, so let's say fix. So if you click on OK, so you will see it is a fixed width. So if I can say this is the student name, student roll number, and this is batch code, for example, like this. This is a one method to create a table. Second method is you can go to insert, click on table and click on insert table and click on auto fit content. So let's say I need 3 by 3 again, so 3 by 3 and click on OK. So you will see the very small table is coming. So whenever you are start typing in this box, so computer will auto adjust its width. So it is called student name, then student roll number, and next we have batch code. So you see, so like this we can create another type of table by using insert menu. The another option is we have another option available which is called draw table. Suppose you want to draw your table by using a pencil, so you can click on draw table and you will simply drag it here, your cursor. So you will see one box is created. Now you can to create a row, so you can create a row like this way. So computer will automatically make it straight, but in this kind of designing your table width is not proper and your row and column width is also not proper. You have to be reset that width. So it's better you will use the insert table option from the insert menu. So you will see I can make a table by using this pencil. You need little practice for this, and if you will do it practice properly, you can create according to your requirement any kind of table in your MS Word, right? So this is another method of drawing a table. Now after this we will take a new file and we will go to insert, and again we have another option which is called convert text to table. It means if suppose you have any kind of text, for example I have text roll number, let's say we have serial number, okay, we have name of the student and we have marks, right? Now enter, serial number is 1, name is A, and marks is 34. Now I have this data available with me. I want to convert this data into a table format. So right now you will see if you go to the table option, this option is disabled right now. So if you want to activate this option, then simply select this data and then go to table, and now you will see this option is activated for you. Now click convert table to text. So your computer will ask you 3 rows 3 columns, so we will say number of column is 3. Okay, and click on OK. So you will see your data will be converted into a table format. So this is another way to create a table if you have any text available with you, right? So now the next option we will see under the table, we have another option available. You can select a table, and if you want to bring any kind of Excel sheet here, so we can also bring Excel sheet also in our MS Word. So click on Excel spreadsheet, click on this. Once you click, you will see by default your Excel environment is created in MS Word format. So suppose I want to create a table here, so I can create a table easily. For example, I will use roll number. Okay, let's say serial number, student name. Okay, then we have marks. If you want to adjust this, you can adjust by doing this, and click on serial number. Let me drag this here. Let's say I have a 9 record. Then we have, I want to display the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, and I. Okay, now I am entering the marks here: 34, 43, 22, 34, 34, 23. So now I have entered the data. Now I want to convert this data into a table format. So click outside. So you will see your table will be ready for use. If you select this table, if you double click on this table, your Excel will be again activated, and you can modify your data as well. So this is another example of a table here. So we have a next option available in the table is called quick table. If you want a ready-made table which you want to use in your data, so you can have, for example, we have tabular list of item needed. So let's say it is a ready-made table right now with us. So if you want to change the quantity, you can modify this quantity from your own way. Okay, paper pen. So you will see now my ready-made table is ready. So in this way I can use my table. If you want to change the formatting of this table, select the table, and you will see first column, last column, okay, total row. If it is applicable, it will be affected automatically. So this is a different style available with us right now. You can choose any kind of style of your table, and you can modify this table by using the formatting style. Okay, if you want to change the border style, so go to shading, and you can fill the different color inside the table. Okay, I can change the border style also if you want to see the thickness. So you will see we can give any kind of border style also to our table here. So in this way we can use a table option in your insert menu. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.